Welcome to Movie Masters, where we explore the world of filmmaking and help aspiring creators bring their visions to life. In today's video, we're sharing our top 10 tips for aspiring filmmakers, whether you're just starting out or looking to hone your craft. These tips will help you on your journey to becoming a successful filmmaker. Tip 1. Master your craft. Filmmaking is an art form that requires mastery of various technical skills and creative techniques. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of camera operation, such as framing, focus, and exposure. Experiment with different camera movements, angles, and shot compositions to understand their impact on storytelling. Furthermore, delve into the intricacies of lighting and how it can fundamentally and dramatically enhance the mood and atmospheres of your scene. Learn how to manipulate natural light and incorporate artificial lighting setups to achieve the desired look for your project. Sound is another crucial aspect of filmmaking that often goes overlooked by beginners. Study the principles of sound design and recording, as well as techniques for capturing clear dialogue and creating immersive soundscapes. Lastly, becoming proficient in the art of editing, where raw footage is transformed into cohesive narrative. Familiarize yourself with editing software and techniques such as pacing, continuity, color grading, and look, if you master these fundamental skills, this will be a solid foundation for your filmmaking. So, tip number 2, study the masters. One of the most effective ways to improve as a filmmaker is to study the work of those who have come before you. Watch films from a diverse range of directors, genres, and time periods to gain a comprehensive understanding of cinematic storytelling. Pay attention to the choices made by these directors. Analyze the use of framing and camera movement, editing techniques, and visual symbolism to dissect the underlying meaning and intention behind each shot. So just go ahead and watch all your favorite films. All I do is nothing but watch films. In addition to watching films, explore the wealth of resources available, such as books, documentaries, and online courses. Don't forget YouTube, of course, that provide insights into the craft of filmmaking. By studying the masters of cinema, you'll gain inspiration, knowledge, and a deeper appreciation for the art form. Tip number 3, tell compelling stories. At its core, filmmaking is about storytelling. Whether you're creating a short film, documentary, or music video, the key to engaging your audience lies in the strength of your narrative. Start by developing well-rounded characters with distinct personalities, motivations, and arcs. Invest time in crafting compelling dialogue that feels authentic and moves the story forward. Consider themes and messages you want to convey through your film, and weave them in organically into the narrative. Remember that storytelling extends beyond the screenplay to encompass visual storytelling as well. Use cinematography, production design, and editing to enhance the emotional impact of your story and create a memorable viewing experience for your audience. Ultimately, the most powerful stories are those that resonate with universal truths and emotions. So don't be afraid to explore the depths of the human experience in your filmmaking. Tip number 4. Collaborate with others. While filmmaking can be a solitary pursuit, it's also inherently collaborative. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your passion for storytelling and bring unique skills and perspectives to the table. What I mean by this? Build a network of collaborators, including actors, writers, cinematographers, editors, and sound designers, who you can rely on to help bring your vision to life. Be open to feedback and collaboration throughout the filmmaking process, as it often leads to richer and more nuanced storytelling. Remember that filmmaking is a team effort, and each member of the crew plays a vital role in the success of the project. By fostering a collaborative and inclusive environment, you'll not only create better films, but also forge lasting relationships within the industry. Now, I think the next one is one of the most important. Tip 5, embrace failure. Failure is an inevitable part of the creative process, but it's also a valuable learning opportunity. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or mistakes along the way. Instead, embrace them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Recognize that every successful filmmaker has faced rejection, criticism, and failure at some point in their career. Use these experiences to fuel your determination and resilience, and don't let fear and failure hold you back from taking risks and pursuing your creative vision. Remember that failure is not a reflection of your worth as a filmmaker, but rather a natural and necessary step onto the path of success. Stay persistent, stay positive, and keep pushing forward, knowing that each failure brings you one step closer to achieving your goals. So, tip number 6, network and build connections. In the film industry, who you know can be just as important as what you know. Take every opportunity to network and build relationships with other filmmakers, industry professionals, and potential collaborators. There are several ways to do this. Attend film festivals, industry events, and networking mixes, where you can meet and connect with like-minded people and individuals who share your passion for filmmaking. Most importantly, be genuine, enthusiastic, and proactive in introducing yourself to make these meaningful connections. Now, in addition to in-person networking, take advantage of online platforms and communities where filmmakers gather to share knowledge, resources, and opportunities. Join forums, social media groups, and anywhere else you can engage with fellow filmmakers. Don't forget to ask questions and seek advice. Remember that networking is a two-way street, so be sure to offer support, advice, and collaboration opportunities to others when in return or when you can. By nurturing your professional relationships and building a strong network, you'll create valuable opportunities for growth and advancement in your filmmaking career. Okay, tip number 7, invest in quality equipment. While talent and creatives are the most important assets in filmmaking, having access to quality equipment can greatly enhance the visual and technical aspects of your productions. While it's true that great films can be made with minimal resources, investing in quality equipment can make the filmmaking process more efficient and enjoyable. First, start by investing in a reliable camera that meets your specific needs and, most importantly, budget. Consider factors such as resolution, sensor size, low light performance, and versatility when choosing the right camera for your projects. When you opt for a DSLR, mirrorless camera, or cinema camera, prioritize features that will allow you to capture high-quality images and videos with ease. In addition to a camera, invest in essential accessories such as lenses, tripods, stabilizers, and audio recording equipment to ensure the best and most professional results. While it's tempting to splurge on the latest and greatest gear, focus on building a versatile and reliable kit that will serve you well across a variety of projects. Keep in mind that equipment is just a tool, and ultimately it's your creativity, skill, and vision that will make your film stand out. Don't let the lack of fancy gear hold you back from creating compelling stories. Focus on honing your craft and making the most of the resources you have at your disposal. So, tip number 8, market yourself. In today's digital age, having talent alone is not enough to succeed in the competitive world of filmmaking. It's essential to market yourself effectively and showcase your work to a wider audience. Start by creating a professional website or portfolio where you can showcase your best work, highlight your skills and experience, and provide contact information for potential clients or collaborators. Keep your portfolio up to date with your latest projects, accolades, and achievements to keep it fresh and relevant. In addition to a website, leverage social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever you use, and use these to promote and engage with your audience. Share behind-the-scenes photos and videos, post updates about your current projects, and interact with other fellow filmmakers and industry professionals. Consider creating a demo reel or show reel that highlights your best work and showcases your unique style and strengths as a filmmaker. Keep it concise, engaging, and professionally edited to make a strong impression on potential clients or employers. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of networking and word-of-mouth referrals. Build relationships with clients, collaborators, and industry contacts who can help spread the word about your talents and connect you with new opportunities. By actively marketing yourself and your work, you'll increase your visibility and attract new opportunities and take your filmmaking career to the next level. Now, I know sometimes this next one can be hard, but tip number 9, stay inspired. Filmmaking is a demanding and often challenging pursuit, so it's important to stay inspired and motivated throughout your journey. Surround yourself with creativity, passion, and positivity to fuel your imagination and keep those creative juices flowing. For me personally, it's all this gear and stuff like that that inspires me. But look, I think it's going to be different for each person. Seek inspiration from a variety of sources, including films, books, music, art, and nature. Take time to explore different genres, styles, and mediums to broaden your horizons and spark new ideas. Attend filmmaking festivals, screenings, and exhibitions to discover emerging talent and new storytelling techniques. In addition to consuming media, engage in creative activities that nourish your soul and ignite your passion for filmmaking. Experiment with writing, photography, drawing, or any other artistic pursuit that speaks to you and helps you express yourself creatively. Remember that inspiration can come from unexpected places, so stay open-minded and receptive to new experiences and ideas. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, and fellow filmmakers who encourage you and actually lift you up to pursue these ideas. Ultimately, staying inspired is about nurturing your creativity, cultivating a sense of wonder, and finding the joy in the process of filmmaking. But by staying connected to your passion and purpose, you'll overcome obstacles, break through creative blocks, and create work that resonates with audiences on a deeper and more meaningful level. Now, tip number 10, never stop learning. The world of filmmaking is vast, complex, and constantly evolving. So it's essential to remain curious, humble, and committed to a lifelong learning, no matter how experienced or accomplished you have become or already are. There's always room for growth and improvement. Take advantage of every opportunity to expand your knowledge and skills, whether it's through formal education, workshops, online courses, or self-directed study. Seek out mentors, coaches, and industry professionals who can offer guidance. Stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and advancements in the film industry. Embrace new challenges and push yourself outside of your comfort zone to stretch your creative muscles and discover new possibilities. Remember that mastery is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your successes, learn from your failures, and never lose sight of the passion and purpose that drives you to create. By embracing a growth mindset and a lifelong commitment of learning, you'll not only become a better filmmaker, but also enrich your life with new experiences. And there you have it, our top 10 tips for aspiring filmmakers. Remember, success in filmmaking takes time, dedication, and passion. Keep honing your craft, stay true to your vision, and never stop chasing your dreams. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on movie making.